Hello travel lovers! In this video, we take you on the tour of Jurong Bird Park. While touring the bird park, we will tell you the best possible way to reach here, the other nearby attractions, and if you are coming here with the kids, then why this place is recommended. If you are coming on our channel for the first time, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. The easiest way to reach Jurong is to take taxi. But budget-friendly way to travel is through MRT. Take East-West line and then reach Boon Lay. From there, you can take bus number 194 to reach Jurong Bird Park. We have pre-purchased ticket which we redeem it at kiosk. After entering inside the Jurong Bird Park, first plan your day. As we have reached here at 11 am, so we already missed the show of high flyers. Next show timings are 3 pm. So we decided to visit park first. If you are coming here, then try to reach here by 9:30 or max by 10. We first decided to do Tram Ride. While waiting for tram, we spent some wonderful time with flamingos. While buying ticket for Jurong Bird Park, please make sure that tram ride ticket should be included. While on tram, you can see different birds on both sides. We stopped at station number 2. Now we will try to explore Berts Home at our own. Jurong Bird Park gives you the opportunity to interact with birds which we somehow forget in our daily lives. A very unique experience in its own way. Visiting Berts Home, we are now heading for the Pelican Show.
species of pelicans in the world? Right here in the bird park. We have 6 of them, okay? Alright, so I'll be asking some questions at the end of my
Kids really enjoy this Pelican Show. A waterfall every towers at a height of 35 meters and houses one of the world's tallest man-made indoor waterfall. Kids are so happy that we are now going to watch penguins. These penguins are kept in controlled environment. Interaction with penguins has given our imagination the wings about life in no man's zone, Antarctica. And time for High Flyer Show at Amphitheatre. While watching show, don't be surprised when you see mimicking ability of Emingo, yellow-naped Amazon, the only of its kind in the whole world, who can sing in 3 languages. Hornbill pals Vicky and Sunny show their flying ability. In this show, you can take a glimpse of 2 parrots trying to outdo each other in various interesting activities. With our own personal experience, we can tell you one thing: your kids will love this interaction with nature. The recommendations are based on our personal experience while visiting this wonderful place. Finale is icing on sugar when biggest flock of birds swoop onto the center stage. If you like our video, then please share it and do comment to share your personal experience. Do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.